Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make AI videos for TikTok. So I will be using these tools, ChatGPT, Canva, 11 Labs, and then CapCut. So if you go to ChatGPT and ask for TikTok videos, then it will show you this TikTok AI videos samples and ideas. So here in ChatGPT, I asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for an AI video sample, a cat in the street. You can create a prompt, you can create your own. And once you have your prompt, all you have to do is to copy this, and then you have to go to Gemini AI. Just search for Gemini AI, create an account, and it should be like this, VO3. Paste the prompt here because this is an image to video AI. So just paste the prompt right here. You can recheck. And then after that, press enter to generate. Wait for at least 1 to 2 minutes and you should see the result right away. And all you have to do is to download the product or the outcome. Okay, now while waiting for this, then you can also go back to ChatGPT again and ask for another prompt, for example, for dogs, birds, or AI, human, something like that. Everything is up to you. And then copy and then paste it again. So basically, what you're going to do once you have your video here, thanks to Gemini, just download this video. And then this time we're going to create a text-to-speech. So you can go to 11 Labs, paste the script here, or just enter, just type. Look for the voice that you want. Don't worry, this is for free also. So after that, generate, download. Now open CapCut, import the video and the voice here. You can add background if you want. So make sure that the ratio is 9:16 because you're going to post this video in TikTok. Stretch the video, but everything is up to you. Now I'm going to add the voice over here and then just edit a range, or you just have to simply split and so on. You can add music or add a background if you want. And this is the result.
Hey there. Where did you come from? You're soaked, poor thing. How long have you been out here?
And to generate more videos for TikTok, just follow the step-by-step procedure. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.